how to make a game pass in Please Donate. So if you were to make a game pass and Please Donate, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser, or you can also go with the application. Now, once you're here, you need to open up your Roblox. Make sure that you've logged into your account. Go with www.roblox.com and log into your account. Once done, you need to go with the top left. Here, you need to go with Create. Under Create, you need to again go with the left side, which is right here. Go with Creations. Under Creations, you'll have your place. So you need to click on your place. Once you're on your place, you're on the left side, you will have an option of monetization. Under that, you will have passes. You need to click on it. Once you're on your passes, if you want to create a game pass, then you need to go with create a pass right here and then enter your name and then the description. And you can also go with the image. You'll be able to add an image to your pass and scroll down and go with create pass, which is right here after entering your name and description. Once you've created, you will have your pass right here. So you just need to simply click on the pass that you've just created and it will take you to this kind of page. Now you need to go with sales, which is here on the left side. And from here, you need to turn on the item for sale, enter the default price, and then go with save changes, which is on the bottom. And that's it. Now, if you go back, then as you can see that your pass has been enabled or created. That's how you can make a game pass and Please Donate. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.